The current state of Yadkin County Schools. Dr. Todd Martin, Superintendent of Yadkin County Schools, has made a commitment to providing opportunities for his staff to work in teams and collaborate across departments to achieve common goals, especially when pertaining to data. This has been achieved through monthly cabinet meetings and the establishment of a data leadership team that is comprised of district-level administrators. The strategic use of data in decision-making is exhibited in the system through the positive examples of professional learning teams, or PLTs, set by district staff and principals. These have changed the professional collaborative environment for teachers as well. Using their own experience as a guide, principals have created PLT opportunities for their faculty members by departments and grade levels to facilitate discussions about data, instructional planning, best practices, and current research. To date, Yadkin County Schools has not provided any formal training on how to gather, disaggregate, or utilize relevant school data. This is an area where training is needed. During the 2018-19 school year, to institute the use and integration of data, Yadkin County Schools implemented a plan for Tier 1 or core instruction improvement by providing professional development on the gradual release of responsibility framework. All teachers have received professional development on the 4 components of focused, guided, collaborative, and independent practice during the current school year. In addition to professional development, Yadkin County Schools provides all schools with diagnostic data utilizing the iReady program and an individualized blended learning prescription for all students employing the same program. When looking at the link of data to continuous school improvement, Yadkin County Schools has a comprehensive school improvement plan that was loosely created using data. The goal was that all school improvement teams would complete the North Carolina Needs Assessment form. The reality is that only 6 responses were received, thus the strategic plan is developed on a weak foundation. Although the MTSS team for the district decided to implement Plan, Do, Study, Act as their cyclical problem-solving process, as of January 2019, no training had taken place on how to utilize this process. Without a process being established, decisions are not data-driven and cannot be targeted to meet the needs of students.